Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And here we've got the list, or actually kind of a shortcut list of all available languages, and here we've got the languages which are mostly used by us. So let's add new language. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of them. And basically all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. So let me pick this one, tap on the region, and as you can see, our new language has been immediately applied to this list of highlighted languages, kind of, but the English is still a main one. So in order to actually change the language, we have to reorder the languages here. So let me tap on the language, hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, we can do it again, tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on delete. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.